Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Cyclone Fainjal. A cyclonic circulation over the East Equatorial Indian Ocean has intensified into a deep depression with the potential to develop into Cyclone Fainjal. The system is expected to make landfall near Puducherry by the end of the week, bringing heavy rainfall and strong winds. The India Meteorological Department and regional centers are closely monitoring its progression. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Now let's discuss about naming of Cyclone Fainjal. Cyclones in the North Indian Ocean are named by the WMO UNESCAP panel, which includes 13 countries like India, Saudi Arabia and Bangladesh. The name Fainjal was proposed by Saudi Arabia and reflects Arabic linguistic traditions. Cyclone names are selected from a predetermined list contributed by member nations. Names are used in sequential rotation and are not reused. Following Fainjal, the next cyclone will be named Shakti, contributed by Sri Lanka. The current naming system for the North Indian Ocean was established in 2004 with updates in 2020, adding new names for sequential use. Now moving on to predicted impact of Cyclone Fainjal. Expected to intensify into a cyclonic storm over the Bay of Bengal, leading to heavy rainfall, strong winds and possible coastal flooding. Areas like coastal Tamil Nadu are on high alert with forecast indicating intense rainfall from 26th to 30th November. Residents are advised to stay updated and follow preparedness measures issued by meteorological departments to mitigate potential damage. Now is the time for practice question. Who proposed the name Fainjal for the current cyclone? India, Saudi Arabia, Thailand or Bangladesh? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.